Day to all of you guys.
Happy Independence Day to all of you.
And on the occasion of Independence Day, we are going to learn how to make Tiranga barfi. So let's see the ingredients. Woo. So for the ingredients, we have taken half cup sugar powder, and this is coconut. This coconut you can see. Then this one we have just taken this one and we have done in mixie. This is coconut powder, milk, half tablespoon ghee, some blue color gems and blue color sprinkles, green food coloring, orange food coloring, and this is kaju powder, and this is milk powder. So let's begin. First we will take the milk and put it in this pan. And now this pan will take to our gas stove. And now we'll switch on the gas. And after boiling the milk, now pour our coconut. And ghee. And after 2 minutes, now pour our kaju powder. Milk powder. And mix it well. And now after 1 minute, now pour our coconut powder. And mix it well. And after 2 minutes, now pour our sugar powder. And mix it well. Now this is ready. Switch off the flame. Take it down. And now we'll let it be cool for some time. So it's a bit cool, not totally cool. So when it's a little bit only, it's a bit cool. So only a little bit cool, you can see. Now we'll divide into 3 parts. And now we have divided into 3 parts. You can see 1, 2, 3. And in one we'll add orange food coloring. And in one we'll just put some orange food coloring. And mix it well. Now I have added orange. Now we'll take just green. In one we'll just add green. Okay. So as we have mixed this one also well, and this one also, you can see. And now we'll start making our India flag. First we'll take some ghee and grease our hands nicely. And take some of it. Which size you have to make, that much you have to take, but we'll take only some for now. And then we'll just throw the saffron part, the orange top part, saffron color. You can see. I've made 4 of our saffron color, orange color. You can see anything. And now in this one, we'll just dip this into our coconut powder so it will be more pure whites. Just give it a nice shape and dip it in. Ooh. Now this one will attach to this one. And now I have kept the white layer also. Now we'll keep the green part. First we'll roll it like this. Give it a nice shape. And attach it. So guys, you can see our India flag. And then you have to just press it like this so it will stick to each other nicely. Like that, you can see. I will get a nice India flag. Now we'll repeat from this also. You can see guys. It's so shiny and nice also. Now we'll have done this for all, and now I'll put blue jumps in the center of all. Wow. And after keeping, just press it a bit. Oops. And I'll just take some blue sprinkles and sprinkle it. As you can see guys, wow, our India flag. So guys, our Tiranga barfi is ready, but where's my cap?
Oh.
Woo! Ha! There we go. So guys, you can see. Looks so delicious guys. You have to make it at your home this Independence Day. Please, please, please make it in your home guys. And like,